The Northern Cardinal is perhaps the most recognizable songbird in North America. Known for its brilliant and red plumage, cheerful song, it is a non-migratory bird that brings color to backyards, even in the dead of winter. Cardinals are medium-sized songbirds with distinctive crests on their head and a short, thick, cone-shaped bill. They are sexually dimorphic, meaning that males and females look different. Brilliant scarlet red all over with a black mask around the eyes and throat of the male. Females are pale fawn or brownish gray overall with warm reddish tinges on the wings, crest, and tail. She also has a black mask, though it is usually less defined than on the males. The juveniles resembles the female but has a grayish-black bill instead of orange and a shorter crest. They range throughout the eastern and central United States, extending south into Mexico and north into northern Canada. Unlike many songbirds, they do not migrate and they stay in their territory year-round. They prefer edge habitats, places where open fields meet forests. You will commonly find them in woodland edges, thickets, and suburban gardens, parks, and overgrown hedgerows. They are mostly omnivores, but the majority of their diet consists of plant matter. Seeds and fruit are 75% of their diet. Grains, fruits, and dogwood, wild grape, buckwheat berries. Their thick, strong beaks are perfectly evolved to crack open tough shells. During the summer breeding season, they eat more insects, beetles, crickets, and cicadas, and feed their young almost exclusively on insects to provide protein for growth. They are primarily ground foragers, and you will see them less often hopping on the ground beneath bird feeders rather than perching on them. Unlike many songbirds where only the male sings, both the male and the female's cardinal sing. The female often sings from the nest to communicate with the male. Their song is a loud, clear whistle that sounds like cheer, 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 or birdie, birdie, birdie. Territorial males are aggressively territorial during breeding season. They are known to attack their own reflection in windows, car mirrors, and shiny bumpers, in mistaking it for a rival male in their territory. Pairs are generally monogamous. During courtship, the male engages in mate feeding, where he picks up a seed and gently feeds it to the female, beak to beak, looking very much like a kiss. The female builds a nest, usually in a dense shrub or a low tree 15 feet off the ground. It is an open cup made of twigs, weeds, and grass. She lays about 2 to 5 eggs that are grayish brown with speckles. Broods. Cardinals are prolific breeders and can raise 2 to 3 brood families per year. The male often cares for the fledglings of the first brood while the female begins building a new nest for the second one. The Northern Cardinal is the official state bird of 7 states: Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia, more than any other bird. They were named cardinals of the Roman Catholic Church, who wears distinctive bright red flocks and capes. While they are territorial in summer, they often drop their aggression in winter to form close flocks to forage food together. The best way to attract cardinals to your yard is to focus on sunflower seeds. They love black oil sunflower seeds and safflower seeds because they are shy and prefer cover. Placing feeders near shrubs or bushes rather than in the middle of a wide open lawn makes them feel safer. Well, I hope you like this video about cardinals. I've actually had them nesting in my yard one time on a post. I've been growing moonflower vines on it, and they nested right in there, and it was just about face high, and so it was nice to watch them raising their eggs, although I was afraid to get too close to them. But that was really interesting. But anyway, if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and maybe even give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I will talk to you next time, and thanks a lot. Bye.